Today, I would like to tell you a little bit more about one of our researches, the European Home Improvement Monitor. This research is published quarterly, and every quarter we interview consumers in 11 countries and we focus on a certain key topic. In our latest report, the Q2 2023 report, we focus on purchase behavior. The share of online purchases has been increasing massively during the Corona pandemic period, which is of course logical because consumers didn't have a lot of choices where to get their home improvement products, and due to the fact that they did a lot more home improvement jobs, they needed to source their products more online than ever before. But what's interesting to see is that post-Corona, we see the online purchases stabilizing and returning more or less to its usual growth level. We are now almost at 12% pure online purchases of home improvement products, but is no longer increasing as rapidly as during the Corona pandemic. So that's the European picture, but what about the individual countries? Well, online buying actually decreased in Sweden, France, Italy and the UK. Currently, we see the highest level of online buying of home improvement products by consumers in Denmark and Germany, with about 18% of all purchases done online. This is the lowest in France, with approximately 6% of all home improvement products bought online. The full report covers much more. Not only do we look at the online channels, but also the traditional channels like DIY stores, bought by professionals and much more, and we can show the multi-year developments. Furthermore, we also have all of these insights on a product level. We also have investigated to what degree consumers are preferring to buy online and what type of stores do they prefer to buy at. And we also look at their actual home improvement behavior. So what percentage of the population is doing home improvement jobs? What kind of jobs? How will this develop in the future and how much are they spending? If you would like to know more about this report, please feel free to contact us or take a look at our website.